Good.
Frog.
And what letter is that?
F is for frog.
And what sound?
Frog. F for frog.
Very good.
G is for grapes. Go, 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 go.
Good job.
H is for apple. Ish, 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 ish.
What sound does H make? Oh,
Ish,
okay.
ish, ish.
Very good. Let's move to baby Ezra. What
It's
letter
I.
and what sound does I make?
S is in W.
What sound does I make?
E, ice cream. E, ice cream.
Very good.
E, ice cream.
Next.
Ch is for cherry fish. Cherry fish. Cherry fish.